Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in English session. Today in English we are going to do revision part only. Okay. In last session we had learned about alphabets and vowels and consonant. So in this session we are going to study more about vowels. Okay. Let's start. There are means in vowels there are sounds vowels. For example, long sound vowels and short sound vowels that we are going to study today. Okay, let's see short vowels. These are short vowels. A apple. A egg. A igloo. A octopus. A umbrella. These are short sounds, short vowels sound. Okay, and in this long vowels means we say vowels long, like skate, tape. We are stretching the letter or alphabets. Okay, that we can say long vowels. Cake, train. We are stretching and we are a long vowel. Okay, E, tree, leaf, bee, keys, nine, dice, pie, O for cone, soap, globe, boat, glue, cube, रूलर, यूनिकॉर्न. वीयर मतलब हम लंबा ए है तो लंबा ए जाता है. ओके, उसको हम बोलेंगे लॉन्ग वॉवल्स, और शॉर्ट वॉवल्स में एकदम शॉर्ट में हो जाता है. अगेन लेट्स सी द डिफरेंस. ओके, ए एप्पल, ए लॉन्ग ग्रेप्स. Okay, that you can see the difference. E for elephant, and in this E for tree we are stretching the letter E. I whistle, bike. O top, boat, duck, queue. Okay, you understand the short and long vowels. In short we are saying matlab sounds will be short, apple, and in long we have to stretch, grapes. Okay, next we are going to study about articles. This also you have learned in previous grades. Okay, that we also going to revise. A and N, the are called articles. Okay, A and N are called indefinite articles, and the is called definite articles. Let's see the definitions and with the examples. Revise it again. Okay, a. We use a word that begins with a consonant. ओके, जब कंसोनेंट लेटर्स होते हैं तब हम आगे क्या यूज़ करते हैं, कौन सा आर्टिकल वी विल यूज़, ए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए काव, ए पर्ल, अ डियर, अ गर्ल, अ क्लॉक, अ लैम्प. That in this you can see G. G is a consonant letter, so we have written a article. In next, clock, the first letter of the clock is C, that is consonant, so we have used a. Next, lamp, L, so L is also consonant, so we have used a. Again I repeat, we used a before a word that begins with a consonant. Next, N is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. That you know, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So before vowels we will use article and A and N. That you can see in that examples. And orange, O is vowel. So before O, orange, O, we have used and article. Umbrella, U is vowel, so we have used N. E is vowel, so again we will write here N. Next, a and an is also used for, it is also used for singular noun. We use the when we are talking about only a particular thing. It is also used to introduce the plural nouns like the bicycles, the dolls, the erasers, etc. ओके, जब भी हम पर्टिकुलर थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं, दैट वी कैन यूज ओनली द, जो एक ही चीज़ है, लाइक द स्काई. द स्काई एक ही चीज़ है ना, कि बहुत सारे स्काई है, नहीं, ओनली वन थिंग. For example, you can say the Mumbai. Only one Mumbai is there. The Ganga River. Only one. Okay, that you can fit in your mind. The is used when we are talking about only one particular thing. The world, the South Pole, the North Pole, or you can say the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, these are only one. So before that we will use the article. These are the exercise that you have to do it by yourself in grammar notebook. Okay, this also you have to try it by yourself. If any query, you can ask anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.